Hi everyone, Ginny here at Vincherry, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Invoice Scheduler, which is ideal for retainer invoicing workflows, and it's all part of our mission to help search firms close the loops between the front, middle and back office. So to show you this, we're going to add a job into Vincherry. We've chosen the job type of permanent, and we've got 3 perm subtypes to choose from: contingent, exclusive and retained. So we're going to choose retained. That gives us the option to add our invoice schedule. From here, we can add our tranches. All we need to do is give our tranches a name. So for example, for the first one, this could be an upfront retainer. We can add in the amount. We've then got 3 options for when we would like this draft invoice to be created: at a particular stage, manually, or on a particular date. If we choose date, we can just pick it from the date picker. For our second tranche, we can do the same thing. We can give it a name, we can choose the amount, and we can decide for this one to have the invoice created when the application is at a particular stage, for example, the sent stage. Our final tranche is going to be once the application has reached the place stage. So we'll fill in the details and we'll choose the stage of placed. Once we save, we can see all of these details from inside the compensation and fees tab of our job. We can see a snapshot here, and we can then click on Invoice Schedule to go through to the full details. We can then see the details of our invoice schedule over here. From here, we can perform certain actions, such as updating the profit split per tranche. This gives us this pop-up where we can choose which consultants we would like to split the profit between, and whether this is on a percentage or a numerical basis. We've also got the option to manually create the invoices. If we press this button, it gives us this pop-up. The email template can be created by an administrator, and when we press on send, the draft invoice is created. From here, we can then see our invoice details, and we can actually click on this button to take us through to the full invoice details. We're now looking at the invoice details full page. From here, we can see the details of our tranche, and we can perform certain actions, such as updating the profit split again. We've also got the option here to approve and send. You can send it to your clients inside Vincherry, or approve and mark as sent. Now, if you're using another accounting system, you can approve your invoice and mark it as sent without actually sending the invoice from Vincherry, but it keeps a record that it's been a sent invoice in Vincherry. Now, all retainers are tracked inside the Vincherry intelligence. Inside the booked fees, we can see details of all of our retainers here, and you can filter down to view this information. You can also see everything in the actual fees dashboard as well. This pulls from the invoices directly, and you can see all of the details on your retainers. So that's the invoice scheduler in Vinny. Thank you very much for watching. You can visit vincherry.io or click on the link below to request a demo. You can also visit help.vincherry.io for tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Vincherry.